Night brush. Cameron.
Why
feeling a little underneath the weather. So we'll make sure more than ever you throw away this toothbrush and toothpaste after it gets better. Jeez. Come on, come on. Alright, alright. See? Let's go. Come on. Every day, twice a day, for 2 minutes. One of the hardest days to me. Now we floss. That's about good enough. Come on, come on. As I was saying, the hardest days for me are those every other Fridays where got the haircuts. I'm talking washing hair for everyone, include me, and brushing teeth.
Good.
And flossing.
Good.
It's very tough. Done. Night brush. Now with my youngest. Make sure we got our different toothpaste. And our 2-minute timer. Come on. Close. Put your teeth together, please. Put your teeth together, please. Put your teeth together. Put your teeth together. Like that. Thank you. Put your teeth together. Hey, 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 relax. Put your teeth together. Thank you. There you go. Twice a day. Every day for 2 minutes. Go spit. Not easy. Not fun. Come on. This is raw. Come on, come on, come on. All right, very good. floss. Let's go. Long enough? Come on. Open. Come on. All right, we're in a brush. So Cameron's still feeling underneath the weather, so you want to be diligent about. Even though we always want to do this though, but make sure that we're not keeping his toothbrush and toothpaste away. Twice a day, every day, for 2 minutes. Always want to look in our children's teeth daily. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. Just kidding. It's not fun. It's not easy. This is real. This is that finishing touch for me before we really get together after haircut and the morning after shampoo. Done. Now we floss. It's like that finally coming together. Like we woke up together. We already brushed our teeth last night. We got our haircuts. We got our shampoo. Now this day is about making sure we on that where we should be. You got crowding like me for the braces, the Invisalign. No, hey, stop. Bless you.
No.
There we go. Very great. Done. Morning brush with my youngest. And we got another toothpaste. Open, open, open. Type of stuff we see in our children's mouth. Come on. Okay, babe, I don't want to fight you. Open. Another. Okay. all we can. We do all we can.
Oh,
Well, I'm fighting you. Good job. Done. Now we floss. Open. Thank you. Very good. My not so easy patient. My very first patient ever. Okay, done.